It doesn't always feel like a victory, does it? We face trials, setbacks, temptations, and spiritual battles. But here's the truth. God never intended for you to live defeated. Today's video, you're not fighting for victory, you're living from victory. In Christ, you've already been given everything you need to overcome fear, shame, sin, even the lies of the enemy. Victory isn't something you earn. It's your inheritance as a child of God. When you believe and declare what God says about you, you begin to walk in the confidence of someone who knows that the battle's already been won. With me, I am strong and victorious because Christ gives me the power to overcome all things. For I can do everything through Christ who gives me strength. Philippians 4:13. Reflection. Take a moment and ask yourself, am I living like a victim of my circumstances or like an overcomer of Christ? Action step. Today, write down one area where you feel defeated. Then declare Philippians 4:13 over it, saying out loud, through Christ I can overcome this.